Good morning and welcome. 12th of September. This is my new, well, it's been up for about 2 weeks now. I haven't done no filming, very busy with work. Yeah, my friend of mine made these to put his cats in. And he said he didn't want it, gave it to me, and look. But here are the Muscovies I hatched this year. The 2 males. I was right, there were 2 males because look at the size difference between the mummy and the children. The lavender, he's going hopefully to a home. I'm going to keep for breeding next year, and I got 2 more girls to go in here with that, so I have 3 females and 1 male. But yeah, it's funny. I'm going to put some netting over the top, maybe, I'm not sure yet, but I'm going to try and get these out. Look at the colour. Really good looking birds, the male. For some reason they don't want to come out. But there they are, let them have a range for 20 minutes, half hour. They're looking good. Oh, there's a tree in the way. Lavender, look. I think he just about finished his molting. And they finished as well. All looking good. New home. There's a trampoline covered in some netting, some roofing. I'm going to move it today to a new spot.